Morning, students. By this session, we are going to discuss unit number 12, periodic classification of elements. In this lesson, we are going to discuss how the people made attempt in the construction of modern periodic table. This is the arrangements of chemical elements, chemical substance. Right. The first attempt made by Daubernier, his method called as triad method. Tri means three. Based on increasing order of atomic mass, by his time, what is the number of elements found out? He arranged them in 3-3 order. That is, 3 elements as a set. So, like that, he arranged. In that arrangements of elements, he followed the concept or rule. What is that means? The atomic mass of the middle one, the middle element, is the or equal to arithmetic mean of the rest of the 2 elements in that set of 3 elements. You able to follow me? Daubernier triad stated that when the elements are arranged in 3 as a set, the middle one have the atomic mass equal to arithmetic mean of the rest of the 2 elements atomic mass. Arithmetic means what? Nothing that have to add the atomic masses of first element and third element and divide by 2. What is the answer? That will be atomic masses of the second element, that is middle element. So this is called as Daubernier triad. Right. By 1817, he made attempt, that is John Wolfgang Daubernier, is the name of the scientist. He suggested that method grouping elements based on their relative atomic masses. That you have to underline in your textbook. They will ask him choose the best answer. Point number 2. He arranged the elements into groups containing 3 elements each. That means what? Each group containing 3 elements. He called these groups as triads. Tri means 3. Daubernier showed that is the rule of the Daubernier. When the 3 elements in a triad are arranged in the ascending order, that is increasing order of their atomic masses, the atomic mass of the middle element is nearly the same as average of atomic masses of other 2 elements. So this is Daubernier triad rule. This statement is called as Daubernier law of triads. Daubernier law of triads. Right. This arrangements we can understand with one example. Let us see. See the table 12.1. There is a 3 set of elements tabulated, group 1, group 2, group 3. Listen, in group 1, there is 3 elements as lithium and sodium and potassium. Lithium atomic mass given as 6.9. For sodium 23. For potassium 39.1. Now the middle element sodium atomic mass 23. Let us see how it is equal to, nearly same to the arithmetic mean of the rest of the two elements atomic masses, that is lithium and potassium. Listen. .9 39.1. Right, okay. So here for lithium, sodium, potassium. Lithium given as 6.9. For sodium given as 23. For potassium given as 39.1. Now we can check it out. The middle element sodium atomic mass 23, nearly the same of arithmetic mean of the rest of the two elements. Listen, 6.9 and 39.1. 9 plus 1, 10, 0. Remaining 1 is here, have to add. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 6, then here 1, 1 plus 3, 4. So the adding atomic mass of lithium and potassium is equal to 46. So 2 element atomic mass we have added, no? So that's why divided by 2. So it is what? 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. So it is equal to what? 23. Now 23 is atomic masses of which one? Sodium. Atomic mass of sodium. So such a way, arranging the elements in 3-3 order as increasing their atomic mass, the middle one equal to or nearly same to the arithmetic mean of the rest of the two elements as lithium and potassium in this group. So such a way he made an attempt. But later on it may not stand as good one to arrange the rest of the elements and all, has found out by his time. So that attempt left out. So such a way here that group 2 given as chlorine, and bromine and iodine. So the same way the bromine atomic mass is equal to arithmetic mean of the rest of the two, that is 35.5 and 126.9. Add together divided by 2, that will give you the value as equal to 79.9. So such a way we can check it out, the group 3 also. Right. Next one, limitations. Dabernier could identify only 3 triads from the elements known at the time, and all elements could not be classified in the form of triads. So he made attempt such a way, but this method not able to extend for all the elements. Only he made 3 groups only, based on his idea, that is what? Based on his law. The rest of the elements not bring into this type of arrangements. So that's why it left out. Point number 2, the law was not applicable to elements having very low as well as very high atomic mass elements. So this is two things, limitations of nominate triads. Next one, Newland's law of octaves. This is another method. The scientist name by 1866, scientist name John Newland. He arranged 56 known elements in the increasing order of atomic mass. So he also made arrangement by increasing order of atomic masses of the elements. By his time of period, how many number of elements? 56 elements. 56 elements he arranged. In this method, he followed the concept, arranging the elements as 8 elements as a set. 8, like that. 8 elements as a group. Like that he arranged. In that, when arranging the elements as 8 as a set, the 8 elements having the similar property with the first elements of the previous period, that is previous set. That's why it is called as law of octaves. Because in the music note, how there is first node as well as the eighth node as being similar. The same way, when there is elements arranged in increasing order of atomic mass as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then eighth one have similar property of the first one of the same row. So, such a way he arranged the elements as a set of 8 elements. See that point number 3, the octave of Indian music system is Sa. The first one, Re, Ga, Ma, Ba, Da, Ni. The last one again, Sa. So let it be, this is 1, first node. Then this is 8th node. The same way he arranged the elements based on this concept also. So likewise, point number 4, likewise in the Newland's table of octaves, the elements fluorine is 8th from the element hydrogen. Thus they have similar properties. That means what? We can arrange the elements as increasing order of atomic masses as like that: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, then fluorine. So here the hydrogen element and fluorine element having same property. Because in the same row, this is first element, this is second element, eighth element. So we have to arrange under that what? Hydrogen elements. So such a way, he arranged the elements by increasing order of atomic masses, 8 elements together as a set. This is called a law of octaves. Limitations. There are instances of 2 elements being fitted into the same slot. There are instances of 2 elements being fitted in the same position. Example, cobalt and nickel. In the same place, 2 elements can't place, no. But he placed 2 elements in the same position. This is one of the limitation or drawback. Then second point, some elements totally dissimilar in their property. When he arranged the elements by the concept above set 1, some elements totally dissimilar. not covered in his concept were fitted into the same group. So there is totally dissimilar in the properties of elements which are placed in the same group. The elements placed in the same group should have similar in their properties. That is concept of Newland. But irrespective of that concept, some of the elements totally dissimilar in their properties, even they placed in same group. Example, such arrangement of cobalt, nickel, palladium, platinum, iridium in the row of halogens. Third point, the law of octaves was not valid for elements that had atomic masses higher than that of calcium. What's the atomic number of calcium? 20. Atomic number of calcium 20. So those elements having that atomic mass, atomic number of calcium is 20. Atomic mass, that means nearly sodium or magnesium, their atomic mass greater than 20. The law of octaves was not valid for elements that had atomic masses higher than that of calcium. So atomic masses of calcium is 40. Atomic number 20. Atomic mass 40. So he unable to arrange the elements having the atomic mass greater than 40. Atomic number of calcium is 20. Its mass is nearly equal to 40. So above the atomic mass 40, those elements cannot covered by Newland's law of octaves. Point number 4. Newland's table was restricted to only 56 elements and did not leave any room for new elements. These are last limitations. Point number 5. Discovery of inert gas, that is last group elements nowadays present in the modern periodic table, 18th group, inert gases. So discovery of inert gases, neon, argon, example. At later stage made the 9th element similar to that first one. So neon between fluorine and sodium. That means what? He said that the 8th one have similar property with the first one of the same row. But later on, invention of that inert gas, now the 9th element will become as similar to first one. So this is what? Not agree with the concept of Newland octaves. So there is contrary in his concept after invention of inert gases. So this is the Newland's table of octaves. He arranged the elements as 8 order. He placed like that. So this is table of Newland's octaves arrangements. This is modern periodic table. Nowadays what we are following. The next one, Mendeleev periodic table. His concept is the first milestone in the construction of the modern periodic table of chemical elements. Nowadays what we are following or using. He arranged the elements again by increasing order of atomic masses only. Atomic masses. What is the statement of Mendeleev? He also one of the scientists in the making attempt to construct the chemical elements. He stated that The physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic mass. Listen carefully. Physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic mass. அதாவது ஒவ்வொரு எலிமெண்ட்ஸுடைய கெமிக்கல் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியும் ஃபிசிக்கல் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியும் அவருடைய அட்டாமிக் மாசஸுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி அவருடைய அட்டாமிக் மாஸை டிபெண்ட் பண்ணி தான் இருக்கும். அட்டாமிக் மாசஸ் எப்படி ஒவ்வொரு எலிமெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் சேஞ்ச் ஆகிட்டே போகுதோ அதே போல் அதனுடைய ஃபிசிக்கல் கெமிக்கல் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியும் பீரியாடிக் மேனர் கெட் சேஞ்சஸ் அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். பீரியாடிக் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் அப்படின்னா அர்த்தம்னா தெர் இஸ் எ ரெகுலர் ஆர்டர் அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட்ஸ் as well as changes with equal interval of time. That is called periodic functions, periodic changes. Correcta, exacta, with the same parameter, the difference going to occur. For example, we can say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So this is the changes by 5 digit, exactly 1 digit to another digit. The same way, the changes going to take place in periodic manner with the regular differences. Right. The features of Mendeleev periodic table. It has 8 vertical columns called groups and 7 horizontal rows called periods. Each group has 2 subgroups, that is A and B. All the elements appearing in a group were found to have similar properties. Point number 3. For the first time, elements were comprehensively classified in such a way that the elements of similar properties were placed in the same group. Point number 4. It was noticed that certain elements could not be placed in their proper groups in this manner. So, the reason for this was wrongly determined atomic masses. So, consequently, those wrong atomic masses were corrected. Example, the atomic masses of beryllium was known to be 14. The atomic masses of beryllium was to be 14. Mendeleev reassessed it as 9, not as 14, and assigned beryllium in a proper place. The fifth one, number have to change. This is the fifth point. Columns were left vacant for elements which were not known at the time and their properties also were predicted. By the time of Mendeleev, there is certain elements not found out, but he left the place cleverly. Later on in future, such elements having the predicted properties can place over there. So cleverly he left the place in his periodic table. This gave motivation to experiment in chemistry. So Mendeleev gave names Eka aluminum and Eka silicon to those elements which were to be placed below aluminum and silicon respectively in the periodic table and predicted their property also. The discovery of germanium later on during his lifetime proved him as correct one. So such a way, the below aluminum, the elements have to place found out called as germanium in his lifetime itself. So he proved that his concept as right one like that. And limitations. Elements with a large difference in properties were included in the same group. Hard metals like copper and silver were included along with the soft metal like sodium and potassium. Point number 2, no proper position could be given to elements hydrogen. Hydrogen position still under argument. Non-metallic hydrogen was placed along the metals like lithium, sodium, and potassium. Point number 3, the increasing order of atomic mass was not strictly followed throughout the arrangements. Example, cobalt, nickel, tellurium, and iodine not following that order. Point number 4, no place for isotope in the periodic table. So this is Mendeleev periodic table arrangements. This is modern periodic table. Nowadays what we are following, that we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.